Hello, everybody. It is Michael Bean, your English language arts teacher for remote learning here. I'm here to show you guys how to log into Khan Academy for the very first time. Um, I don't know if you've ever used Khan Academy before, but it's a fun interactive tool that I like to use for a learning platform across the ages. Um, it's great for younger kids. It's great for older kids. I know I've used it before whenever I wanted to learn a new skill or refresh myself on something that I had previous knowledge of and maybe it needs sharpened up on. So if you use Khan Academy before, you know it's kind of a cool interactive platform that you can use. We're going to be using this here both in the classroom and online for the remote learning for a variety of different things. We're going to start off with grammar, but I'm getting ahead of myself. You need to be able to log in first. I'm looking at my email right now. You should have gotten an invite from me on through Gmail or Google Classroom that says Khan Academy. Join Bean M's class on Khan Academy. That's me. All you gotta do is click on the email like that. You can also just go to Khan Academy, .org. But if you want to do it this way, it's fine. It says join Bean M's class on Khan Academy. I'm gonna click join remote learning ELA. You guys are at home. That's what y'all's class title is for remote learning ELA. I can just click on that green blue button and it's going to take me to Khan Academy and it says you're joining English Language Arts. Um, it says create a new account. We don't need to create a new account. We need to log into your existing account because you may not realize it. You already had an account on Khan Academy through the school with Google. So, when you guys click on that tab, you'll say continue with Google way up here. Don't continue with Facebook or Apple or Clever. I don't even know what Clever is, but continue with Google. You can click on that and it will ask to associate itself with your account. I've done this previously, so it already asked me permission to do it, but I've asked you for permission to your Google account. Go ahead and give it to them. I'm going to click on mine and boom, it's signing me in to Khan Academy through Google Classroom. My internet's a little slow. And hey, I'm there. Um, Now it says enter a class code. You guys do not need to enter a class code because I already added you to my class through Google Classroom. So you don't need to worry about that. What you do want to worry about is over here, your course. And if you want, change your username, I don't care. It still shows up on my end. So if you want to change it to, um, you know, Remote Learning Kids 778. That's cool. It's whatever you want to do. Okay. Over here, this is what I need to worry about where it says my stuff and courses. Okay. There's progress, there's profile, there's teachers. Click on courses. Okay. And you will probably see that I've already assigned one assignment to you. Dealing with grammar. Now, this, I don't know why this shows up 8th grade reading and vocabulary because I have not assigned that yet, but it's showing up on my end for whatever reason. So if you see it, that's fine. If you don't worry about it. But you should see something about grammar, okay? And we're pretty much going to run through all the basics to make sure you have that firm understanding of all the parts of speech and dealing with grammar. So we're going to start with the noun. So when you get to this screen, you'll press start, and that will actually start your interactive journey through the noun. There are 22 assignments. That's right, 22, the Taylor Swift number. 22 assignments dealing with the noun. So it's one of these things you'll have to work at your own pace, kind of like vocabulary. And some of these are videos, some of these are lessons where you'll have to click through and interact with the lesson, and some of these are quizzes. Okay, so if you look right here, I can start with my introduction. This is, the first part says welcome to grammar. On the teacher end, I'm going to see if you did the videos or not. So if you don't watch the videos, and the videos are all like 2 minutes long, 3 minutes long, if you don't watch the videos, I can't give you full credit for it. So make sure you watch them videos. They're 2 or 3 minutes long a piece. They're not that bad. Like this one, if I click on intro to grammar, it's going to say, hey, welcome to grammar. I think my speaker's muted, so let me unmute it right quick so you can kind of hear. So there it goes. It's just kind of, why is it not speaking? It could be that won't let me speak while you're doing a video or while I'm recording this. That could be part of it. I'm not really sure, but if for some reason you're not hearing on your end, let me know. Oh, that's why. There. Okay. Anyways, just can't pretty much introduce grammar to you, and when you get done, excuse me, when you get done, you can click next video or make sure you watch that all the way through. It's 2 minutes and 45 seconds. It won't take you long. But from there, you can see it goes from there. There's videos, there's practices. There's videos, there's practices. If you notice, you gotta get 3 out of 4 questions to level up, which means you need to get those questions correct in order to move on to the next lesson. So make sure you're paying attention as you're doing this. Very much work at your own pace, but I want to warn you about Khan Academy. If you wait till the day it's due, it's a pain in the butt to click all the way through. Um, take your time with it. If you want to say, hey, I'm going to work on this for 20 minutes today, 20 minutes tomorrow, 20 minutes on Wednesday, I'm fine with that. Just do not wait till the last day that's due to try to get through all this because it's easier to do it than not do it. Okay. Hopefully that makes sense to you. I tell that to my own children all the time. It's easier to do it than not do it. It's kind of like cleaning your room. Go ahead and do it and it's done. But if you wait a couple hours, it's not going to get done and, it's still going to be there. So just go on and do it. So, if you have any questions about Khan Academy, I know I say this every single video. Give me an email. Send me an email at bnmadvancedcharter.org. You can tweet me at teachingbean. On the school Twitter account, you will see all sorts of adventures that we have this year. I know this year's going to be a little bit different, but you can go through my class Twitter feed and see some of the other stuff we've done over the years. Do not hesitate to ask me a question. And if you're having trouble with Khan Academy, holler at me and we'll talk, okay? That's it for right now, so I'll talk to you guys later. Bye bye.